What's going on with y'all boys, man? It's your boy Kel, and I'm here to give y'all boys my perspective and give y'all boys some game, man. And in this video, I'm gonna teach y'all boys how to run a digital marketing service with $0, bro. I had people in the comments wondering how to start, how to do it, um, how much do I charge and things of that nature, bro. I'm gonna break all that down in this video. Stick around to the end so you could sell your service. You feel me? The first thing I need you to do is do some research on marketing, bro. Where did marketing start? How did we get to the point to where we're at digital marketing and all marketing is coming through social medias now? You know what I'm saying? Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? That's the new wave of marketing, but it started from newspapers, from television, from, you know what I'm saying? There was a whole journey with marketing, bro. Do the research on marketing, figure out where it started, and figure out how we got where we are now, bro. You feel me? And in that process, you should see how the biggest companies in the world market, like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, you feel me? Just see how they've been promoting for the past 50, 100 years, Walmart, however long they've been around, you feel me? But that's step one. Do your research on marketing. Step two is you're going to come up with your name. You're going to come up with your logo. You're going to get a domain for your website. You feel me? This is where you're going to create everything of what your business is, bro, right? My business name is MagPoint Digital. My business logo is the logo of this YouTube channel. You feel me? You want to get your domain, MagPointDigital.com or andbeardedbuilders.com. You feel me? So when you make your website, people could go directly. You have your domain, so you don't have to go through extra URLs and things of that nature. When you get to building your website, you will know what I mean by that. You know what I'm saying? And if you need a website built, let me know. I might be able to help you. You feel me? But step one, you're going to do your research on marketing. Step two, you're going to come up with your name, your logo, your domain. You feel me? I got these notes right in front of me right here. Let me dig into the notes. Step number three, you are going to figure out what your service is, bro. You market, right? So what do you do? Do you run ads? Do you help people make websites? Do you help people bring in leads? Like what exactly do you do? Are you giving AI service, right? There's so many different services you could do within marketing. Niche down, break down what exactly your business does in marketing, right? And who is your ideal customer? What type of people are you selling to? Are you selling to small business owners in your local area? Are you doing only contractors? Are you doing junk removal? What is the avatar of your ideal client, your ideal customer? You feel me? And in what area? You feel me? Are you doing locally? Are you worldwide? You feel me? Because when it comes to marketing, you could market locally and meet up with these businesses, or I could sell my marketing service to somebody in LA, bro, because I don't have to meet you to sell this marketing service, right? So figure out, you know what I'm saying? If you want to do locally, it might be easier to get in front of these people, in front of these businesses and sell your service. You feel me? If you're doing worldwide, then you feel me? Figure out who your ideal client is, figure out where you're servicing. You feel me? And figure out what your service is. Once you've done all that, you are on step four. You need to brand yourself, bro. You feel me? You need to make a social media account on every account you can, bro. You feel me? Even if you're not gonna post on them all, just make it. You feel me? X, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, Google business page, Google Maps, you feel me? You wanna make blogs, you feel me? What you're doing here is you're building your brand, bro. You feel me? Who are you? What type of person are you? What type of things do you wear? What type of things do you stand for, right? Now you're building your brand on what type of service you are. You know what I'm saying? What's your favorite colors? You know what I'm saying? What's your logo? How are you branding the logo across all the different platforms? You feel me? This is where you're setting everything up, getting all your Facebook ready to post content, Instagram, YouTube, everything together, and it all needs to be in cohesive, right? Is that the right word? It all needs to be together, bro. It all needs to match up. That's what branding is across all my social medias, platforms and websites, everything looks the same. It's my branding. You know what I'm saying? For number 5, you're gonna come up with a pricing, bro. You feel me? There's all different ways you could price this, bro. You could charge somebody $90 a week. You could charge somebody $500 a week. Me personally, I'm more in the high ticket. I charge 300 a week, 1,000 a month, 10,000 a year. You feel me? So however you wanna uh 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 charge your clients, that's up to you, bro. Look it up on ChatGPT, look it up on Google, Reddit, and see what your competitors are charging and go off of that. I'm going more high ticket, you feel me? But some people, I know some people that I'll market for you $50 a week, you feel me? So figure out your pricing and how you're going to charge your clients, you feel me? Come up with the contract and things that's within the contracts. Like me personally, all my clients will get a pair of Meta glasses from me so I can get the content from the glasses. So you sign the contract, I give you a pair of Meta glasses, and now we have a way for me to get content for your business, bro. You understand what I'm saying? And write up that contract, come up with the pricing, and put everything that needs to be understood in that contract on that onboarding process. You understand what I'm saying? Number 6, now we're going to find our first client, bro. You're going to go to people in your life that run a business or whatever service it is that you're providing. You're going to go to somebody in your life that you know is running a business, somebody that you know will give you the opportunity to perform your service for them. You feel me? So for this first person, right, I found somebody in my life that was already running a business that I could work for. You feel me? And you were going to work for free. Yes, I said your first person, you're going to work for free. Why? So you could get proof that you know what you're doing. You could get proof of having client, you could have proof of results, and you could see if this is really what you want to do. You feel me? Because you've never done marketing. You feel me? If you want to be a marketer, then you got to figure out if this is what you even want to do. So go ahead out there, find that person, maybe your dad's friend, your mom's friend, somebody at your job, a friend of a friend. Get in there, work for free, and take screenshots, screen record, everything, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is all proof of what you do. And this is how you will bring in other clients. You feel me? You will bring in clients from having proof of what you do and that you're a real service. And that person that you're working for free will word the mouth to other people too. Trust me, this is how it worked for me. Step number 7, use any money you get from this method, from this blueprint I'm giving y'all. Watch it back if you have to. Any money you make from this, you need to put back in the business. If it's running ads, getting equipment, getting an LLC, bro, you have to get insurance. Put this money back into yourself, bro. This method right here will make you money, bro. I made money from this method and I didn't put a single dollar into my marketing service, MacPoint Digital. You understand what I'm saying? So this is a real method you could use to make money, bro. You understand what I'm saying? Do this. Any money you make, put back into the business, bro. Put back into the business. I mean this, bro. You could run ads for your own Facebook page, your own Meta ads. You could run your own Google pages. You need a LLC. You feel me? You have to use this money to put back into your business, bro. And the last step is rinse, repeat, and improve, bro. Do it again. See what you could do better, do it again. If it works for you, that means it works, bro. You understand what I'm saying? One thing I always said is when I find something that ain't clocking into a job and that shit gives me money other than selling drugs, it's over, bro. Once I see that it's possible to make money from it, it's over. I'm telling you, I made money from this shit, bro. But that's how you're going to start a digital marketing service with $0, bro. And I got one more tip for y'all at the end for y'all boys that's still here. Here's some real game, bro. What you're going to do is you're going to go in your local area. You're going to go on Yelp. You're going to go on LinkedIn. You're even going to walk into these businesses and you're going to cold call. You're going to walk in and you're going to say, pitch your service, bro. You're going to get somebody walking in. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to talk to people, but you could be cold calling businesses all day to pitch your service. Don't be scared. You gotta take action. It's time to get that money. It's your boy Kel. I came to give y'all perspective, give y'all some game, and start your digital marketing service.